Introducing the automatic electric nail clipper, the ultimate solution for safe and efficient nail trimming for everyone in the family. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this nail clipper fits comfortably in your hand. The hidden blade behind a protective slot ensures it's 100% safe, even if fingers touch the slot directly. Perfect for babies, children, adults, and seniors, this innovative device eliminates the worry of accidental cuts, making it ideal for elderly individuals with poor vision. Operating at a low 45 decibel noise level, this electric nail clipper ensures a peaceful trimming experience. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, allowing you to use it safely even in dim environments. Whether you're using it in the baby's room during nap time or in a poorly lit area, you can trust that it will get the job done without any hassle. The simplicity of its design, featuring just one button, means that even children and seniors can use it with ease. Say goodbye to the mess of traditional nail clippers. The automatic electric nail clipper comes with an automatic nail fragment collection system. No more searching for scattered nail pieces. The built-in debris storage box collects them as you trim. This makes it perfect for use anywhere, whether you're in the office, on your bed, or even in the car. It's clean, convenient, and incredibly efficient. Powered by a USB rechargeable battery, this nail clipper is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. A full charge allows you to trim your nails up to 60 times, ensuring long-lasting performance. With 3 adjustable speed levels, it caters to all your nail trimming needs. The automatic electric nail clipper is not just a tool, it's a game changer for personal grooming. Experience the future of nail care today. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Order your automatic electric nail clipper now and enjoy a safer, easier way to trim your nails.